Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Check which platform you're on because Android can toggle airplane mode automatically while iOS generally cannot without a prompt. Once confirmed, open your automation app Tasker, Macro Droid, Bixby Routines, or Shortcuts on iPhone. Make a quick decision about the trigger you want: time, location, Wi-Fi connect, or calendar event. From here, create a new automation rule so you don't waste steps later. Pick the trigger now so the app will know when to run the action. Now build the rule. On Android, make a new profile, select your trigger, for example, time or Wi-Fi SSID, and add an action. Net right arrow airplane mode toggle. Grant modify system settings if requested. On iOS, create a personal automation and add an action that brings up settings or runs a shortcut. Note that iOS will ask you to confirm toggling airplane mode, so it won't be fully silent. Make sure the automation app has any required permissions and battery exclusions, so it can run reliably. Finish by testing the automation with its trigger so you can observe exactly what happens. Don't skip this because small misconfigurations cause silent failures. Once done, refine conditions. Add time windows or require Wi-Fi SSID to avoid unintended toggles. If it doesn't run, check 3 things: app permissions to modify system settings, battery optimization exclusions, and any manufacturer auto-run or background restrictions. If iOS prompts block you, accept.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.